Hi, I'm Donna Dewberry. We're painting one-stroke painting today. What I do with the bumblebee is I do the body first yellow. You can do yellow ochre or a bright yellow. I'm going to do a bright yellow here. And I'm going to, it's the same stroke as your leaf. I want to get that nice shape, okay? And then we're going to put its head there. So I use the handle of the brush. I dip into the licorice. I'm going to come right here, and I want the head bigger than that, so I'm going to make a circle or just use a larger brush. There you go. Now what's going to happen, I'm going to get the white, all white, work that flat into the brush. When people say they can't get a nice chisel, they have so much paint on there, we start and end our strokes all on the flat of the brush. Now watch what's going to happen here. If I want to shade this and have it all shaded as I go, I can pick up yellow or I can go over there and just side load and get a touch of licorice. So I want to push down and I want to come to the head. That is also another leaf. See that leaf stroke? I want a smaller one here, so I'm going to stand up to the point, come over here, pushing and standing up. Here's our little wings. Isn't that cute? I can go back with the script liner now. I make this a little inky, but I need it kind of thick, so you don't want it too inky. Now look what happens. This is a little furry bumblebee. So if you make these little stripes kind of fluffy, it makes it look more realistic. And then the tail. And what I like to do is do these little trailers. Okay, I missed some there. Now let's turn it around and we do a little cute little antenna. Touch, lift, touch, lift. Now I'm going to sign it and we're done. How fun is that? Little teeny strokes. My name's easy because it's all downward strokes.